In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable hit sounds here in Forsaken. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to enable hit sounds here in Forsaken, the first thing that you're going to want to do is simply open up Forsaken and begin getting loaded into the game, because this is actually a setting that is specifically in-game and not through Roblox, which is pretty awesome. But what you're going to want to do once you do get loaded into Forsaken is actually from this lobby screen right here, navigate over to this left-hand section, and you're going to see the settings option. Go ahead and select the settings option, and on the left-hand side of the settings menu, just simply go ahead and drag this down to about halfway. You're going to see these sections right here that says hit markers enabled, hit effects enabled, and finally you're going to see this section that says hit sounds enabled. Simply go ahead and toggle the hit sounds enabled section on just like so, and it's going to give you a hit sound ID. Once you see this little ID thing pop up, you are good to go. All you have to do now is hit this settings icon again to close out of settings, and it's going to automatically save. Overall, it is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Roblox content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.